Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dual connection for the headphones Moto Buds Plus. So I have an Android phone with these headphones connected to it. So just open the application, scroll down and click on dual connection. Now press and hold power connection button for at least 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. And now click on the headphones on your second device. And right now, I will show it to you. We have 2 devices connected to our headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!